All right, so we're still at Roseville, and then we got the Black Ghost shows up, you know? Legendary Motor City street racer here. And we're getting ready to pull the car out. So let's check it out. Got Greg over here. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna have to go in the side door. I see Greg opening up the door over there. Here, let's go around the other side. I've seen this car quite a few times. Love it. Love the story. Always hanging out with Greg. Always enjoy that. But yeah, wow. Oh yeah. Here, I'll get out of your way.
You're all right.
Oh, okay.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night?